Good morning, students. In previous class, I explained our state Karnataka. So, our state Karnataka has 30 districts. For the administration, Karnataka is divided into 4 revenue administration division. They are Bengaluru division, Mysuru division, Kalaburgi division, and Belagavi division. First, I explained Bengaluru division. Bengaluru division has 9 districts. They are Ramanagara, Davanagere, Shivamogga, Tumakuru, Kolar, Bengaluru urban and Bengaluru rural and Chitradurga and Chikkaballapura are the 9 districts. So Karnataka has early ruled by ancient kingdoms like Gangas, Hoysalas and Vijayanagaras. Karnataka has a rich natural resources. They are rivers, forest, waterfalls, animals, soil, minerals, etc. Then Bengaluru and Karnataka division has a tropical monsoon climate. And there are in this Bengaluru division as rich national reserves, wildlife sanctuaries and bird sanctuaries. So then agriculture, it is the main occupation of this division. The main crops are ragi, maize, paddy, groundnut and various pulses. The important industries are iron and steel industry, paper industry, cement industry, etc. These are the important industries of this division. Now I am going to explain about art, literature, folklore, theatre and dance. So what are the contribution and achievement in the field of art, literature, folklore, theatre and dance. First, I go to explain about the art literature. So, who are the main important writers of this divisions? In this division, there are 3 writers from Bengaluru divisions have received the prestigious Jnanapita award in the field of literatures. So in this, it means the Bengaluru divisions received the prestigious Jnanapita award in the field of literature. Who are that 3 persons received the Jnanapita award? The one is Kuvempu, then Ananthamurthy and Masti Venkatesh Iyengar are the persons received the highest Jnanapita award. Who are the persons received the highest award, Jnanapita award? Kuvempu, one is the national poet. Kuvempu, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar and U.R. Ananthamurthy received the highest Jnanapita award. Jnanapita award. So from the Bengaluru division, 3 persons received the highest Jnanapita award. Who are that 3 persons received the Jnanapita award? One is Kuvempu, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, and third one is U.R. Ananthamurthy. Next, in this, this is an indication of the literary achievement. This is an indication of the literary achievement by the Bengaluru division. In this division, they were eminently contributed to the field of Vachana literature. They are Akka Mahadevi and Allama Prabhu, who are contributed immensely to the 12th century for the Vachana literature, all from the Balligagi of Shivamogga district. So, who are the important contributors to the field of Vachana literature? Akka Mahadevi, Akka Mahadevi, Akka Mahadevi, Akka Mahadevi, and Allama Prabhu, and Allama Prabhu, and Allama Prabhu, who were contributed immensely in the 12th century to the field of Vachana literature, to the field of Vachana literature, to the field of Vachana literature. They were from Balligagi of Shivamogga district. Similarly, Sripada Rayuru, Purandara Dasaru, and other important part from Dasa Parampara are from this division. So, the two persons like Sripada Rayuru, Purandara Dasaru, and others were part from the Dasa Parampara, part from the Dasa Parampara. So next one, the modern literature have been enriched by this division. The important modern writers are G.S. Shivarudrappa. Then see here the modern literature. These three persons received the Jnanapita awards. One is Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, Kuvempu, and U.R. Anantamurthy. The modern writers are G.S. Shivarudrappa, Nasir Ahmed, then P. Lankesh, D.V. Gundappa, Anupama Niranjana, M.K. Indira, and Nadi Soja are the important modern writers of this divisions. Who are the modern writers of this division? G.S. Shivarudrappa, Nasir Ahmed, P. Lankesh, D.V. Gundappa, Anupama Niranjana, and Anupama Niranjana, M.K. Indira, and Nadi Soja are the important modern writers of this divisions. Others were Ramachandrappa, a Senatarian Venkata Subhaya, and Kotanagahalli Ramaya, K.B. Siddhaya, Doddarangegoda, Pratibha Nandakumar, and others were also from this division. So these are all about the achievement or contribution to the field of art literature of the Bengaluru division. So three important persons received the highest award, Jnanapita award received. Who are the important person received the Jnanapita award? Kuvempu, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, U.R. Anantamurthy received the Jnanapita award. So Akka Mahadevi and Allama Prabhu were immensely contributed in the 12th century to the field of Vachana literature. And apart from this, Sripada Rayuru, Purandara Dasaru gave an immense contribution to the Dasa Parampara. The important modern writers of this divisions, one is G.S. Shivarudrappa, Nisar Ahmed, P. Lankesh, D. Gundappa, Anupama Niranjana, M.K. Indira, Nati Soja, Dalita poet Siddhalingaya, Dr. D.R. Nagaraja, K. Romo, K.P. Siddhaya, Doddarange Gowda, and Pratibha Nandakumar and others. So now I am going to explain about the contribution to the field of theatre, to the theatre and dance. Theatre and dance. So theatre and dance. Theatre and dance. Theatre and dance. The achievement of this division in the theatre field is equally notable like in the literature. Got it? The achievement of this division in the theatre field is equally notable like that in literature. So first person, the name Gubbi Veeranna. The first person is the name Gubbi Veeranna. Gubbi Veeranna as renamed eternal in the history of Karnataka theatre. He had titles. One is Nataka Ratna and Nataka Sarvabhauma. Gubbi Veeranna, he was renamed eternal in the history of Karnataka theatre. He had two titles. One is Nataka Ratna. One is Nataka Ratna, and another one is Nataka Prabhu. Another one is Nataka Sarvabhauma. Another one is Nataka Sarvabhauma are the two titles of Gubbi Veeranna. So he was renamed eternal in the Karnataka theatre. The theatre company established by him, it is known as the Gubbi Theatre Company. So who established the Gubbi Theatre Company? Gubbi Veeranna established the Gubbi Theatre Company. Gubbi Theatre Company. Who established the Gubbi Theatre Company? Gubbi Veeranna established the Gubbi Veeranna. So has completed 100 years. Another name of importance, that of Subbaya Naidu. Another important person of Karnataka theatre is Subbaya Naidu. He was the first hero of the talkie movie Sati Sulochana. Who is the first talkie movie of Kannada? That is Sati Sulochana. Sati Sulochana is the first Kannada talkie movie. He is the hero of this film. Got it? Subbaya Naidu, he was another important person of the Karnataka theatre. He was the first hero of the Kannada talkie movie Sati Sulochana, which is the first Kannada talkie movie Sati Sulochana. Who is that hero of the Sati Sulochana film? Subbaya Naidu. Then the contributions of K. Hirannaya and his son Master Hirannaya, known for their cultural comedy. So the Master Hirannaya, K. Hirannaya and his son Master Hirannaya are known as the comedians. So cultural comedy are notable. Who are the important comedians of this division? K. Hirannaya and Master Hirannaya. So they are known as their cultural comedy are notable. Next, the contribution to the dance field, it is Srimati Maya Rao. Srimati Maya Rao Maya Rao, he was a great dancer. She is a great dancer who contributed immensely in the field of dance from his Bengaluru. She is a famous dancer and also opened a school of dance. So he earned the title Natya Saraswati. He started the dance school. It is called as Natya Saraswati to teach and has trained numerous dancers. So which school he is started? Natya Saraswati. Natya Saraswati. So Maya Srimati Maya, he was a great dancer of this division. He started many dance schools and trained the many dancers. Now Bengaluru is an important center of the cinema industry. The film industry is going positively due to the contributions from personalities like Dr. Rajkumar, actors like Vishnuvardhana, Shankar, and others worth memory. New wave films have also contributed immensely in these days. So which are the important film actors from this division? Dr. Rajkumar, Vishnuvardhan, Vishnuvardhan, and Shankar Nag, and others were noteworthy in the memory. New wave films have been also contributed to this field. See the picture. Dr. Rajkumar, Vishnuvardhan, Shankar Nag, and Maya Rao are she is a dancer. So they will give a contribution in the field of dance and the film industries. Got it? What are the main contributions from the field of theatre and dance from the Bengaluru division? So Theatre of Karnataka is also also a equal achievement or notable achievement like in the literature. The first one is Gubbi Veerಣ್ಣ. He was the notable person in the Karnataka theatre. He earned the two titles. One is Nataka Ratna, another one is Nataka Sarvabhauma. He established the Gubbi Theatre Company in Bengaluru division. Another important person, Subbaiah Naidu, he is also one of the person of the Karnataka theatre. He was the first hero of the first Kannada talkie movie, Sati Sulochana. Then Master K. Hirannaya and Master Hirannaya gave a notable contributions and they were cultured a comedy are a notable, and Srimati Maya Rao, he was a famous dancer. He established a dance school, Natya Saraswati, and he trained many dancers. In Bengaluru division, it is a notable center of the cinema industry. The main important film actors of this division are Dr. Rajkumar, Vishnuvardhan, Shankar Nag gave a contribution in the field of cinema. Next, I am going to explain about folklore and folk dance. Folklore and folk dance. Folklore and folk dance. Folklore and folk dance. Folklore and folk of art. This division, the Bengaluru division, is known as the folklore and folk art. The famous folklore expert and writer Dr. H.N. Nagegowda has established the Folklore Center Janapada Loka in Ramanagara district. Who established the Folklore Center Janapada Loka? Who established the Folklore Center Janapada Loka? Dr. H.N. Nagegowda established the famous folklore center Janapada Loka in Ramanagara. In Ramanagara, where he established the Janapada Loka in Ramanagara. In Ramanagara, Dr. H.L. Nagegowda, he was a famous folklore expert and as a writer. Got it? The Bengaluru division is one of the famous folklore and folk art. So the famous Janapada folklore center Janapada Loka established by Dr. H.L. Nagegowda. He was one of the folk expert and writer. He established Janapada Loka in Ramanagara. So it was a wonderful folk museum. Many art crafts belonging to various arts, literature, theatre and displayed here. It is one of the folklore museum. Here we see the many art crafts belonging to the various folk arts, literature, theatre are displayed here. Next, the following are the famous folk arts of Bengaluru division. Which are the famous folk art? Famous in Bengaluru division, Karaga festival. Karaga festival. Karaga festival that takes place every year in Bengaluru. It is a folk art. In Bengaluru, it is a folk art. Then another important are Somana Kunita. It is famous in South Karnataka. Is another important folk art. Next, Yakshagana is one of the important folk theatre of this division. Then Garudi Kunita, then Garudi Kunita, Dolu Kunita, Kamsade Kunita, and others are the famous folk arts. Which are the famous folk arts of this Bengaluru division? One is Karaga festival. It is celebrated in every year in Bengaluru. The other important folk arts are Somana Kunita. It is very famous in South Karnataka. Then Mudanapalaya Yakshagana. It is one of the most famous folk theatre. Then other important folk arts are Garudi Kunita, Dol Kunita and Kamsade Kunita are the important. The contributions of R.S. Naidu, Rumale, Channabasavaya, Venkatappa in the field of visual art of unique. So these are all the important contributions to the field of art, theatre, dance, film and folklore. First one is art and literature. The three important persons, Kuvempu, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar and U.R. Ananthamurthy received the Jnanapita Award. Then Akkamahadevi Allama Prabhu gave a immense contribution to the field of Vachana literature. Sripadarayuru Purandaradasa gave a contribution to the Dasa Parampare. The modern writers are Anupama Niranjana, M.K. Indira, P. Lankesh, G.S. Shivarudrappa, Dalit Kavi, Siddhalingaya and Dr. R. Nagaraj, Na D'Souza. These are the important modern writers of this division. Next one is theatre. The achievement of this division in theatre field is equally notable in the field of literature. First one is Gubbi Veerಣ್ಣ. He was one of the important person, gave a contribution to the Karnataka theatre. Gubbi Veeranna earned two titles. One is Nataka Ratna, another one is Nataka Sarvabhauma. He established a Gubbi Veeranna company. It completed 100 years. Another important person of Karnataka theatre are Subbaiah Naidu. He was the first hero of the first Kannada talkie movie of Sati Sulochana. Next one, K. Hiranaya and Master Hiranaya, known for their cultural comedy are notable. Then Srimati Maya Rao, who was a famous dancer. She established the Natya Saraswati School for trained many dancers. Bengaluru, it is one of the important center of film industry. The important film actors were from this division are Dr. Rajkumar, Vishnuvardhan and Shankar Nag. Next one, the folklore or folk art. This division is also known as folk art and folk art. One of the famous folk art center was established by H.L. Nagegowda in Ramanagara. It is known as the Janapada Loka. So who established the Janapada Loka? Dr. H.L. Nagegowda, where he established that Janapada Loka in Ramanagara. In Ramanagara, it is one of the folk museum. Many art crafts belonging to various folk arts, literature, theatre are displayed here. Then the following famous folk arts of Bengaluru division. One is Karaga festival. Every year we are celebrated Karaga festival in Bengaluru division. Somana Kunita, it is one of the folk art of South Karnataka. Then Mudalaparaya Yakshagana, it is also one of the folk theatre of this division. And Garudi Kunita, Dollu Kunita and Kamsale Kunita are other important folk art of this division. Then the contributions R.S. Naidu, Rumale Channabasavaya, Venkatappa in the field of visual art of this unique. So thank you. I hope you are all understood. See you in next class.